how to fix your Windows system is too outdated error in Roblox. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the Roblox error that says your Windows system is too outdated. If you're seeing error C, don't worry, I've got a full fix for you. Let's get started. First, go to your desktop, then click the search icon in the bottom left corner and type run. Open the run app, then in the box type %temp%. Now hit enter. This will open your temporary files folder. Find the folder named Roblox, then right-click and delete it. Next, open a browser. I'm using Google Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner. Go down and select Settings. From the left-hand menu, click on Privacy and Security. Then scroll down and click on Delete Browsing History. Now untick Browsing History as it will not delete all of the browsing history. And then click on Clear Data. Once that's done, restart your computer. After rebooting, launch Roblox again. It should now work without showing the outdated system error. That's it. If this tutorial helped you out, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.